Okay, in this demonstration we're going to convert a PDF file, which is an ebook, into an ePub file using Calibra. I'm going to open the actual program, Calibra, and there it is on screen, and this is the default window, and this white space here you need to move your file that you want to convert into here. We can use it this icon here called Add Books and search for the book that we want to use, or we can just drag the file into this window. I'm going to do that. The file's off to the side, but you can see here that I'm dragging it in. The program is now adding it to the Calibra library, and there it is. Now, a couple of things that we need to do before we just do this conversion is to look to see what the metadata is already on this file, and if we right click there and go down to edit metadata and edit metadata individually, we now get this screen. And as you can see at the top here, we have a title, authors, title sort and author sort. We need to get these right because this will be part of the conversion. Now, for the sake of this PDF file, because it's Albert Einstein's relativity, special and general theory, its metadata is already there in the correct way. But if you drag a file onto here and there's a load of rubbish in these particular fields, then you can overwrite them, and what you need there is just the title of the book, the author, and the title of the book again, and the author, but using their last name first, so that it sorts on the last name. Next thing we need to do is actually give this book a front cover. Now, there isn't one on my PC for this, but if there was, I could use this browse button and go and search for it and select it. The good thing about Calibra is that you can download a cover by searching the internet. So if you click this download cover, because you've selected the metadata correctly and filled that in, it knows it's searching for relativity, the special and general theory. So it'll look on Google, Amazon, and a general search, and here you can see that on Amazon it's found a front cover for this book. So we select that and click OK. It brings that cover into Calibra, and this is a separate window. We click OK again there, and now we're back to the general Calibra library, and as you can see we've got the book cover, and this is the book in the library. We need to actually convert it now to ePub, or any of the other formats that this particular program can convert to. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use convert it to ePub. So right click on there. We want to convert books and convert individually. There's lots of different options that you can choose there, bulk convert, but we're not going to cover that. Let's convert individually. Again, we get another window up, and in here there's lots of information that you can actually change again if you want to, but we don't need to. And at the top is the output format here. The default is ePub, so we don't need to select that again. But if we wanted to convert to a different format, we can click this drop down and we can find MOBI file, PDFs. Our file is already a PDF, so we won't want to convert it to a PDF. Text file, and lots of other different formats there, but let's leave it as ePub. And at the bottom of this window we've got OK. We click that, and as you can see, Calibra is pointing down to this part of the window. If you select that by clicking it, it will show you the actual progress for conversion of that book. And as you can see, it's done really quickly. It's 100% now, so close that window. We've now converted that book with its front cover into ePub. What we need to do is save it back onto the desktop. Now you get lots of icons along here. The icon that we need is not showing at the moment, but if you select these chevrons, we've got Save to Disk. Click that. I want to save it to my desktop and click Select Folder. It's now saving it to the desktop, and it will open the desktop here. As you can see, the Recycle Bin, Albert Einstein folder there. I'll just close that down anyway. And close Calibra now because we've finished with that. And you can see on my desktop, if I move along, we've now got the Albert Einstein folder here. If we go into it, and if I just reduce that in size, relativity, the special and general theory, and as you can see in the folder, if I put it on list, we've now got an ePub file there. It's saved the actual image of the book and a PDF version. We don't need any of these files now, so I'm going to highlight them and delete them. All that's left for me there is the ePub file, which I can now load onto my iPad and read. That's how you convert a PDF file into an ePub file on Calibra.